Uploading your video is just step one, yes, but what you do next, that is what makes or break your growth of your channel or your video. Are you ready to take your video to the next step? So let's dive into the video of today. Because in my previous video, I talked about 4 things to do before uploading your video. This is it. So in this video, I will be talking about 3 things to do after uploading your video. So let's start. The first thing is called the first thing to add after uploading your video is called video playlist. Some of us don't even know how to create playlist or the function of playlist, so they don't even to add their video into playlist. See, one of the function of playlist is that it makes your video to be under a video when someone is watching your videos. Yes, and don't just be suggested next. It also helps your channel to be organized. So how do we create a playlist? Are you hearing me? Click on create. In your YouTube studio, click on create and then click on new playlist. When it's load, put your title for playlist like maybe YouTube tutorials and description like I teach you or I direct you on how to create YouTube video. Then make it public, then save it. Next, go back to your video, then press add to playlist. After adding to playlist, then what? Save it too. So let's go to the second to the last step. The second to the last step after uploading our video is called end screen or video cards. Yes, what is end screen or video cards? That is what pops up after playing a video or what you use to link your videos together. And video card is all those things that will pop up beside you when speaking. And how do we create video card or end screen? Since we are still in this video, since we are in the video, we go to the right side. Yes, so we're in the video description, like all the video. Go to the right side. You click on end screen, then it's load. It suggests things for you like one video and one subscription to my channel to the right side. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing everything? And suggest next is one playlist, one subscribe, then next blah blah and everything. Just look at it too. Another one is one video and one playlist and one subscribe button. So you pick any one of your choice. But me, I would pick what? The second one, which is one video and one subscribe to my channel to the downside. Yes. Are you seeing it? So I will pick the second one. Then what? I will save it. Next is the info card. I will click on that end screen and pick cards. Then it will suggest video playlist. It will suggest videos / playlists / channels. Yes, are you seeing it? Note, you can only add 5 info cards per videos. So you select where you want to play the info card. I see as I'm doing it. Just look at the side though. Just look at the side because I don't want to really waste much time. So just look at the side. So I will select where I want to place it. So I will pick the video I want, and I will select where I want to use it. I hope you are seeing it, Then I add more info cards or video. But I will advise you to add more videos and maybe one playlist. Yes, I want one info card, one playlist, one video, like maybe 4 videos and one playlist. Yes, I want one video, one playlist, so that it will be making sense. So that's how it is. So when you are done, let me show you how it will appear. It will be appear like this. As you are doing it will show you how it will appear on YouTube. Look at it here. Look at it too. Yes, are you seeing it? That's the way it will appear on YouTube. So when done, save it. So if you watch the video to this point, do well to subscribe to my channel. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, turn your notification bell, and what? Leave a comment if you have any question. So back to our tutorial. The last thing to do after uploading our video is called visibility, which is very simple. Yes, click on visibility. It's still in the right side where we found our end screen and video card and everything is there. Click on it down. It brings 3 options: public, or list, private. Are you seeing it? Why public means it will be posted immediately, instantly. And I would advise you not to do that too. On list means anyone with the link can see it, or anyone checking through your place can see it. And last one is private, meaning only you can see it, or only people you choose can see it. And then schedule. So I will tell you to what? Press schedule. Yes. and press the date. Set the date, the time, to anytime you want it. Like set the date and time to anytime you want it. You set it well low. After pressing it, setting the time, press OK. So after I set the date and time, then press set as premium before saving it. Then that helps you to push your video out, to promote your video so that people would have seen it, so that by the time YouTube would have suggested to go far. And me, I used to do that so that when it is finally public, you should have notified people about my video, so that by the time I post it public like this, YouTube will notify them 30 minutes earlier, 20 minutes earlier, 10 minutes earlier, before I now finally post it. So one thing about schedule is that it will be posted automatically, whether you are online or you are not online, whether you are on YouTube or you are not on YouTube, whether you are your data or you know your data, and that is good for you. And I have a tip for you if you watch the video till this point. Yes, there's a secret place to add keywords and hashtags to your channel that people don't talk about. Yes, people don't talk about it too. Yes, I know in my last video I talked about to generate keywords, playlist, and co. I talked about to generate keywords, hashtag. So now we go back to our notepad. Yes, when you get to your notepad, copy every keyword to your clipboard. Yes, so you go to YouTube Studio. Yes, I say me opening my YouTube Studio. Pick the video you added the description before. Yes, the new video just uploaded. That will just add end screen, everything. But what we are using YouTube Studio application, not the website. Click on it. Yes, have you seen the video? Yes, because you go to YouTube Studio, click on content, see videos, playlist, click on view all videos. Yes, so when we click on it, we see the video, that video and this video. Click on it, pick the pencil icon, then swipe down, go to attributes and pick it. And first select the category of your video, because you have different categories like car and vehicle, entertainment, education, film and animation. See, you can just see as many as there are many. So you pick the category your content falls under. Then go and save it first, because of in case you do mistake, that one has already been saved automatically. So you go back to that same place that you do. So go back, you see tags, click on add tags, put your hashtag one after the other. That's if you're using Android phone, but if you're using Samsung, you will just be placing from keyboard, place, copy, paste. But if you're using iPhone, you go back and copy all that. That's your check. So I would like to buy a Samsung phone. I won't be using iPhone. I know everything be iPhone no. So are you serious that I'm doing it? Just look at it as I'm doing it too. Look at it too. When done with adding all the hashtag, when you are done. But note, don't overload your description with hashtag. Yes, I forgot to tell you that in my previous video. Don't overload your description with hashtag. I'm still adding the hashtag. Are you seeing it? When done, save it. Yes, save it. And I would love to motivate you with this Bible verse which says, being confident of the very one thing. I'd love to motivate you with this Bible verse, which is Philippians 1 verse 6, which says, being confident of this one thing, that says, he that begat a good work in you will perform it until the day of Jesus Christ. In other words, never give up on your YouTube channel, because you can never tell your viral video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell, and kindly leave a question, kindly leave a comment if you have any question. See you in my next video. I am Olu. Bye.